let me quickly talk to you about the best stock picking services out there right now. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you're to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to have a conversation about the top 10 stock picking services. The cool thing here is that first of all, let's just talk about what is a stock picking service. This kind of organization they pick stocks they believe will outperform the broader stock market. So they recommend those stocks to you for you to act on or ignore as you see fit. Now, they sound straightforward, and they are, but the thing is that many new investors confuse them with similar sounding services. Let me give you an example. I'll give you an example. Stock screeners, for example, are tools that help you filter down the thousands of available stocks to a manageable few based on your specific criteria. And then you have stock scanners. While related to stock screeners, are another type of online investing tool that stream stock related data and alerts in real time. And then you have the stockbrokers who offer the actual mechanism for buying and selling stocks online. I'm talking about the TD Ameritrade of the world, the Charles Schwab, the Betterment, the Robinhood, right? So before picking a stock picking service, this kind of tautology here, but before selecting a stock picking service, there are a few things you need to pay attention to. Very important. Stock pickers don't simply vary based on quality. They also vary on focus. Many specialize in serving day traders, for example, or swing traders, helping them identify stocks poised to jump or drop sharply that day or during the following week. So you kind of have a timing perspective here. Other stock picking services will sort of cater to longer term buy and hold investors, recommending stocks they believe will grow quickly in the years to come. So you want to look for stock pickers with a strong track record of beating the market. No stock picker will get every call right. That makes sense, right? But the astute one, the smart ones, prove to be right far more often than they are wrong, right? So before taking advice from any stock picker, you want to verify their bona fides in the form of a track record. This is very important. You want to compare their picks returns to the market at large whenever possible. It doesn't matter, and I'm saying this very, very importantly. It doesn't matter if their picks saw 30% growth last year if the market grew by 35%. This is very important because the longer the track record, the better. So you want to look for experience in your stock pickers because a year or two of good picks could come down to luck. But if you have, say, 20 years of strong picks, this indicates skill, sophistication, savvy, right? You want to take a look at the stock pickers' integrity as well. So you want to look at ethical and transparent stock pickers because this kind of stock picking services will never mislead their audience by recording trade wins but leaving losing trades open, for example, and only reporting the closed wins. And so you want to look for some kind of ethics here. And one thing I want you to pay attention to is that you want to look for credibility and transparency indicators like free trial periods and money back guarantees. Right? It also helps to try a service before committing your money permanently. Very important. And last but not the least, I want you to really pay attention to the stock picking strategy, because reputable stock pickers explain their approach and the data analysis they use. So you want to do your homework to fully understand the stock picker's methodology and ensure it aligns with your personal investing goals. Whether you just having money on the side to play, like what I call play money, or you have your retirement where you have to be more serious about your stock picks. Remember that your likelihood of success as a day or swing trader depends on the quality of your information, right? So timely, accurate information makes profit possible for traders, because without it, beating the market is next to impossible. I want you, before I get into the rankings here, I want you to check out this short video about our approach. We do have a rigorous evaluation approach when it comes to stock picking services, and we are very methodical. We have a way to categorize them, to list them, and review them. Check this out. All right, let's just get right into it. The top 10 stock picking services. Number 10, Dollar Ace. Our score 8.5 over 10. Dollar Ace is kind of code for options traders. Even though we're talking to option traders and actually stock traders who are focused on options. Let's just put it this way. And the cool thing here is that Dollar Ace was started by Kyle Dennis. And this is in the stock options world. He's some kind of legend. Apparently, he took $15,000 and multiplied it to $3.8 million in 3 years' time. So what you want to do here is that you're able, if you subscribe to Dollar Ace, you're able to scan the market for stock options trends that look surprising. And so options will allow you, options, as you know, allow the holder to buy or sell a stock within a certain time frame at a certain price. So if you go with Dollar Ace, you are basically using what I call a hybrid strategy. So you're not only trading in the traditional stock market, in the primary market, you're also trading in the secondary market, the derivative market, through options. So Dollar Ace 8.5 over 10. Number 9, Super Trades. Our score 8.5 over 10. And Super Trades was designed for scalp traders, swing traders, and technical traders. So if your goal is to just to engage in scalping means that you're just buying a stock and really resell with a profit within a very short period of time. Then you want to go, if you are into scalping, you want to go with Super Trades. And Super Trades was started by Paul Scolardi. And this man has nearly 2 decades of experience as a trader and CPA. And he became reportedly a self-made millionaire trading stocks. And he runs a Superman subscription service through Timothy Zacks' Profitly platform. So subscribers get daily stock watch list newsletters, real-time alerts via email and SMS, and real-time commentary with Scolardi and other traders in his chat rooms. And a lot of members of our team have tried the service, and we believe it is legit. The Superman Alerts package costs $147 per month, and we have instances where the amount went as high as $200. Again, it depends on what you are looking for. For an extra $100, Superman Pro subscribers get weekly videos, access to a rich educational video library, premium stock research reports, and an earnings tracker. Number 8, we have Team Alerts. Our score 9 over 10. And this is designed for penny stock day traders. So if you are into penny stock day trading, you want to go with a Team Alerts. Now the Team Alerts subscription is kind of a little pricey, but again, it's if you are a gamer, if you are into that kind of game, you will look at it as a cost. So it will set you back nearly $700 per year, making it more affordable than some of his competitors. At a higher subscription level, penny stocking silver for $12.97 per year, members get access to more than 6,000 educational videos and weekly video updates. Right? So another thing that I want to say I also want to see here is that you want to pay attention to momentum. You want to pay attention to the community. You want to be able to have a system where you're getting feedback from other penny stock traders, penny stock day traders. So you're able to actually bounce your ideas and tips and tricks off of everybody else around you. So team alerts, here we have again, this is 9/10. And number 7, we have investors underground. Our score 9/10. This stock picking service is great for day traders. And this, what we love with this platform is it's very educational centric, and it provides more than 700 video lessons and guides. And it holds frequent webinars with plenty of question and answer sessions. So investors underground send a daily newsletter with stock watch list and game plans. So by the time the market opens at 8:30, you are already prepared. So when the bell rings to kick off the trading day, you can join other traders in the chat room to compare notes, ask questions, and monitor real-time stock scanning and alerts. So this is investors underground. This has some kind of what I call the herd mentality. They really work as a group, and they're very, very, very. There is some kind of solidarity and some willingness to share info in that group. And so the service will cost you nearly $2,000 a year, and you can optionally add access to the platform's premium courses if you want to up your trading game. So according to Investors Underground, their customers remain happy to keep paying. I mean, we have tested that, and that's true. The majority of folks we have reached out to who are Investors Underground customers love the platform. And according to several news reports, nearly 9 out of 10 subscribers report the membership has good value. And after joining the platform, they have improved their trading. Number 6, we have Warrior Trading. Our score 9/10. And this is designed for day traders. So what we love here is that Warrior Trading excels at education, and that starts at the top with their founder, Ross Cameron. Ross Cameron is great. I mean, we've heard him speak several times. This is someone who is a legend when it comes to day trading. And he leads highly personal chat room discussions, audio feeds, and video feeds in real time. So as a subscriber, you can even see Cameron's own trades in real time, along with the company's other professional traders and educators. So to help new traders get started, Warrior Trading provides a series of free educational videos in addition to their premium education tools. So what we love here is that the cost is kind of high. It's really high. The personal attention that you get from Cameron and his a team of connoisseurs will cost you a lot. Warrior Trading's pro service charges a dizzying $6,000 per year, so it doesn't really appeal to the mildly curious. You got to be really curious in this thing, right? And that sort of adds up to about $500 a month in subscription. Number 5, Zacks. Our score 9.5/10. Now, Zacks is a pretty established name, and this is designed for value investors. So Zacks is another renowned investment research service company packed with features for its subscribers. So at the core of Zacks stock picking services is the graded rating system that assigns a rank, with 1 being the absolute best, right? So one of the methods to rank a stock is its expected surprise prediction, what they call ESP. And this is a weighted prediction of how much a stock will beat its consensus quarterly earnings prediction. So the higher the ESP, the higher Zacks anticipates the stock's performance to be. And investors who like fundamental analysis in their stock picking strategies may enjoy the Zacks approach, and they have access to the tools at 3 different membership levels. So you have the basic. So the basic membership from Zacks is very informative and primarily offers news and observation tools. Then you have the premium. The premium membership from Zacks will cost you $249 per year, and it offers a host of interactive portfolio tools along with additional research sources. And then you have the ultimate. So Zacks offers an ultimate membership for nearly $3,000 per year, which is targeted towards high net worth individuals and professional traders, right? And the reason why the ultimate membership is very powerful is that not only do members receive all research and exclusive recommendations, they also receive access to all of the Zacks strategy training. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about the top 10 stock picking services. Number 4, Trade Ideas. Our score, 9.5 over 10. Now, the software platform Trade Ideas uses an artificial intelligence named Holly, an artificial intelligence tool named Holly to generate real-time trade recommendations for subscribers. So, and this is made up of more than 70 proprietary algorithms, and Holly runs more than 1 million simulated trades each night before the trading day starts. And the algorithm then proposes stock trade picks in real time, along with recommended entry and exit points, and that delivers a complete day trading plan for each pick. And Trade Ideas also features its own internal broker, so you can authorize Holly to execute trades on your behalf, rather than buying or selling manually through your own separate brokerage account. So the cool thing here is that when we actually tested and analyzed this service, it kind of looked like a hedge fund to us. Not only the automation, you have the artificial intelligence, you also have the fact that you basically have the complete, you have the whole 9 yards. Why? Because you're getting the exit, you have the stop loss, you have take profit, you have the trade planes. And planes actually with Trade Ideas start at about $1,000 per year. And if you want the full Holy AI experience, you need to upgrade to the premium plan at $2,268, around $2,500. But for that price, guess what? You get access to arguably the best day trading software in the business. Number 3, Morningstar. Our score, 10 over 10. This Morningstar is designed for buy and hold investors, and as we all know, and Morningstar is one of the most well-known investment research companies out there. They've been around for forever. I mean, they've been founded in 1984, and they deliver an immense amount of value with their stock pick recommendations in their premium services. So you have to pay attention to and they actually have a categorization that we love. They have gold stocks, silver stocks, and bronze stocks. So gold stocks have excellent fundamentals, and they usually have some form of X factor that sets them apart. Silver stocks have great fundamentals and are on a positive trajectory. And finally, bronze stocks have strong fundamentals but are waiting for their next breakout moment. So other features in the Morningstar premium service include ETF picks, analysis for mutual funds, and recommendations for high-yield stocks that seek to deliver strong quarterly dividends. So for about $200, Morningstar has plenty of tools to offer traders and an excellent reputation behind it. So you really want to think about what really works for you, and it's cheap compared to the other services. You have the Morningstar Premium starts at $200 per year. So regardless of the plethora of stock picking resources that I just gave you, they only costing, at least the minimum is $200 per year. Pretty interesting. Number 2, the Motley Fool Rule Breakers. Our score, 10 over 10. And this is designed for buy and hold investors. So the Motley Fool offers more than its flagship stock advisor subscription. So the Rule Breakers here, it's actually a newsletter. So it features what they call hidden gem growth stocks picks by David Gardner, the legendary David Gardner. And the cool thing here is that if you kind of go back and do some research, you will realize that David's picks have outperformed his brother Tom's by a wide margin. So as of July 2020, David's picks have delivered a cumulative return of 732.7% compared to Tom's performance of 223.7. And just so you know, FYI, the S&P 500 returned 94.6% in the same time frame. So since its inception in 2004, the rule breakers stock picks have returned 235.6% according to the Motley Fool. That's pretty cool, and that's in contrast to the S&P 500's 79.6% over the same time. So this is kind of cool, and this will cost you $99 per year, right? And if you really think about it, it also comes with a 30-day guarantee. So that's pretty cool. Number one, when it comes to the best stock picking service, another Motley Fool service. It's called the Motley Fool Stock Advisor. Our score, 10 over 10. And this is designed for buy and hold investors. I'm talking here people who have a retirement perspective. You want to hold for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. And there are some principles that Motley Fool Stock Advisors customers need to follow. You need to own at least 15 stocks. You need to hold your stocks for at least 5 years. And you need to expect market downturns every 5 years. And that's pretty cool because Motley Fool is kind of telling you right away that here are the rules of the game. Investing in stocks is a patience game, and you can't be just following you can't be sort of succumbing to the yo-yos of the market and really sell at the very first the market downturn. And the stock advisor subscription costs the same as the Motley Fool rule breakers, so that will set you back $200 per year, and you have a discounted $99 offer for the first year. And so with its 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try a full monthly cycle before deciding whether to continue. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section, the final section of today's show. I want to quickly recap today's conversation. I want to first thank you for your attention. I really appreciated it. Let's first recap here. What are the top 10 stock picking services available out there? Number 1, the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, 10 over 10. Number 2, the Motley Fool Rule Breakers, 10 over 10. Number 3, Morningstar, 10 over 10. Number 4, Trade Ideas, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, Zacks, 9.5 over 10. Number 6, Warrior Trading, 9 over 10. Number 7, Investors Underground, 9 over 10. Number 8, Tim Alerts, 9 over 10. Number 9, we have Super Trades, 8.5 over 10. And number 10, Dollar Ace, 8.5 over 10. I will see you next time, but until then, happy trading and stay marvelous.